Hello everyone, I have a giveaway. As a way of saying thank you for your love and support of my channel, I've given away the Kodak Paratrooper 400, the retro vintage preset, and a great preset. Here's the before and after looks using this presets.
Now that you're gone, I spend my nights all alone here, wishing you were here, sweet atmosphere. The sun is going down and I'm getting wild. It's thunder going down, my intentions are mild. You know it, babe, I'm a dangerous woman, but I just wanna make you feel like a real man. You know it, babe, sometimes I'm scared of you, I love ya. I just wanna get at your feet.